Have you ever wondered why your last date checked your wallet's weight more than your heart rate? Yeah, me too. But don't worry, it's not just you. Turns out money talks in the language of love, but it's not the only dialect. So why do women often gravitate towards wealthy men? Is it the shiny cars, the endless sushi dinners, or something more? Stick around to discover the secret tricks that even the underdog can use to win the game of love. Let's dive into why those shiny status symbols are like magnets. When a woman sees a man with a high-end car or designer clothes, it's often interpreted as a billboard advertising success and stability. But here's the twist. You don't need a Ferrari to turn heads. It's all about presenting yourself with confidence. Think of your wardrobe as your personal marketing campaign, clean, well-fitted, and with a touch of your unique style. Next, your habitat. Keep your living space neat and inviting. It speaks volumes about your personal upkeep and reliability. Even if it's just a few quality pieces, they can make a statement. Remember, authenticity never goes out of style, and being genuine about what you own will score more points than pretending. Financial freedom is undeniably attractive. It suggests a life free from the gnawing worries of bill payments and budgeting for groceries. But here's the scoop for those of us not swimming in cash. Focus on managing what you have wisely. Show that you're savvy with your finances by planning fun, budget-friendly dates that emphasize thoughtfulness over expenditure. Discuss your ambitions and plans for financial stability. Women respect a planner. You don't need a yacht to impress. A well-planned picnic in the park can be just as charming. Also, be transparent about your financial goals and progress. It's not about having it all now, but having a plan to get there that can be just as reassuring. Sure, being able to shower someone with gifts and extravagant dates can seem attractive, but generosity extends beyond the physical. It's about sharing your time, attention, and care. Instead of buying an expensive gift, why not craft something personal, or plan a day filled with her favorite activities? These gestures show that you're attentive and thoughtful, qualities that are priceless. Volunteer together at a local charity event or cook a meal together. Acts of service and quality time can create deeper connections than any pricey gift ever could. Remember, it's the thought and effort that count, and these can make your relationship richer than any bank account could. Wealth often puts men in high social circles, but you don't need to be a billionaire to have valuable social connections. Engage actively in your community or professional networks. Being seen as a person of influence and resource can also elevate your social standing. Attend public events, workshops, and seminars where you can meet new people and showcase your knowledge and charisma. Foster relationships with a diverse group of people. It shows you're well-rounded and respected in various circles. Remember, the quality of your connections often reflects the quality of your character, so cultivate them with care and authenticity. Ambition is sexy, and it's not reserved just for those who've already made their millions. Ambition is about having dreams and the drive to achieve them. Share your passions and pursuits. When a woman sees you're driven to improve yourself and achieve your goals, it's inherently attractive. It shows foresight, resilience, and a refusal to settle, which are qualities everyone desires in a partner. Don't be shy about your small starts. Every big success has humble beginnings. Celebrate your progress and be open about your journey. This sincerity not only builds trust, but also admiration and support from your partner. Let's talk attire because first impressions matter. You don't need designer suits, but paying attention to your outfit can boost your confidence and appeal. Choose clothes that fit well, complement your body shape, and suit the occasion. It's also about the details. Ensure your shoes are clean, your clothes are ironed, and you've taken care with your grooming. This doesn't mean overdoing it, but showing that you value yourself and respect the person you're meeting. A well-dressed man reflects self-respect and maturity, which are highly attractive traits. Who says you need a fat bank account to make a lasting impression? Intelligence and a good sense of humor can make you irresistible. Engage in meaningful conversations, be curious about her interests, and share insightful opinions. Humor is a great way to break the ice and keep the atmosphere light and enjoyable. Tell stories that showcase your wit and make her laugh. Remember, a rich mind and a playful spirit can captivate hearts more profoundly than a hefty wallet. Rich experiences don't always come with a price tag. Be adventurous by exploring new activities together that are more about the experience than the cost. Hike local trails, visit a museum on a free admission day, or try a workshop where you both can learn something new. It's about making memories together in ways that enrich your relationship beyond the financial aspect. These shared experiences can build a bond that is both unique and priceless. Never underestimate the power of being kind. In a world where everyone is busy chasing wealth, A little kindness goes a long way. Be considerate of her feelings, listen actively, and show empathy in your interactions. Small acts of kindness, like a thoughtful note or a supportive text at the right time, can make a significant impact. These gestures show that you care genuinely and deeply, making you a millionaire in the currency of affection. Ultimately, the richest connections are emotional, not financial. Focus on building a strong emotional foundation by being communicative, supportive, and honest. Share your fears, joys, and dreams. Be there for her during tough times and celebrate her successes as if they were your own. This level of emotional investment creates a deep, lasting bond that is far more valuable than any material wealth. Show that you're rich in character and spirit, and you'll find that love isn't about money, it's about connection. Remember, it's not just about the wallet size, but the heart that counts. We've explored ways to enhance your appeal beyond just financial flashiness, showing that true connections are built on much more. Hit that like button if you agree, and don't forget to subscribe for more life hacks. Whether you're rolling in dough or just rolling with the punches, these tips can help you win in the game of love. Keep it real and keep it kind, because those are the true riches in life. In a quaint town bathed in the warm glow of sunset, there lived Anna, a young woman whose radiant smile could illuminate even the darkest corners. She was the center of attention for two admirers, John, a wealthy businessman renowned for his extravagant gifts and grand romantic gestures, and Tom, a modest teacher whose heart overflowed with poetry and whose eyes sparkled with hopeful dreams. On a magical evening beneath a sky filled with stars, both men asked for Anna's hand in marriage. John offered a dazzling diamond ring, a ring that shone almost as brightly as his promises of a lavish lifestyle. However, it was Tom who stepped forward, holding only a handwritten poem, each line echoing his deep understanding of Anna's deepest dreams, her fears, and her aspirations. As Anna read the poem, tears streamed down her cheeks, not merely because of the words, but because they symbolized true love and a profound emotional bond. It was in that moment she understood that while diamonds might be captivating, they could never warm her heart as Tom's heartfelt verses did. With the gentle strains of a love song playing softly in the background, Anna chose Tom, a man whose true wealth lay not in his bank account, but in his steadfast love and deep understanding. Together, they demonstrated that true love isn't quantified by material possessions, but by the depth of feeling and connection. In their life together, love consistently triumphed over material wealth, not through ostentatious displays, but through genuine, heartfelt expressions and the simple, tender whispers of the heart. There you have it, gentlemen. If you're broke, you can still win her heart. Although money helps, we've just taught you how to level the playing field. You are the ultimate man. Now, if you want to have the advantage over every other guy, poor or rich, subscribe to our channel and watch all of our videos. Start with this one.